I'm hearing frequency. Everything in this universe is about time, space that doesn't exist, right? So it is just about frequency. The message I've been hearing is you're just about to click. This manifestation process, thank you for the confirmation on my phone. You're about to click that it is just about vibrating love, that you will receive everything you ever wished for, because God is love. With the pulsation, I'm hearing the rhythm, the vibration, the frequency of your own heart. The electromagnetic field of your heart is the magnet. It is responding, corresponding, matching to your vibration. You see, they're giving me the example of when a relationship, for example, is collapsing, is just because one on two person is just changing frequency and the other is stuck in another, and that's why I'm hearing one of them is just irritating the other one is because they're not aligned in the same frequency. And I'm just seeing a supercar. This will talk to someone. I don't know if you're manifesting a frequency. I don't know if you're manifesting a supercar right now, a black supercar, but this message is for you. It's just a confirmation. You must understand that that is why you want to target divine true love, divine counterpart, kingdom spouse. You have to wish for evolution for both of the party, I'm hearing. Because if you guys doesn't have the same motivation to go to the top of the pyramid, one of them will be stuck into a frequency and the gap is going to get bigger and bigger. And at some point, the gap is going to be too big for realign. I'm hearing balance on the same page. That is so beautiful. The energy I'm tapping into is really someone that about to manifest their dream because they're just clicking. That the more they're just focusing on being at peace at any time, being so responsible. 3-3 on the timer, which is the most powerful number for manifestation. I cannot make this up. You have to be responsible of your own peace. Peace at every single second is going to lead you to the frequency you want, because this is the frequency of, if it's money, if it's love, if it's career, if it's having a house, this is just a frequency. And 3-3 on the timer. If you're here, I'm hearing, if you're here and if you're asking for there, for example, you're living in a studio or a 2-bedroom apartment and you want to manifest a penthouse or a big house, God say yes. Yes to everything you want in this universe. But if you're here, frequency, and what you want is here, you just need to align. So I'm hearing, don't be surprised if God is preparing you, because everything is about preparation for what you asked for. So for example, you're here and you want to manifest $50 million. God say yes, no problem, but be prepared to work for it and welcome the change. For example, vibrating, I'm hearing $50 million will involve a certain level of luxurious life. Are you ready to receive? If not, God is going to initiate you. I cannot make this up. God is going to put you into different steps of process regarding receiving, because you gotta be ready to receive this amount of money. You gotta be ready for people. Thank you for the confirmation on my phone. You gotta be ready for people working for you, accepting receiving. And if you didn't work on your trauma regarding receive, you're not just going to be able to match this frequency. This is going to work. I'm hearing. And I just saw 888 on the table. Ooh, this is going to work out. I don't know, I'm hearing, what are you talking? So you could literally working on affirmations, subliminals to manifest. I cannot make this up. You're blessed by the divine, highly favored. So do not worry. Soul retrieval and heavily protected. You see, it's 2 cards of you're highly blessed and protected. Okay, you're highly. Why? Because you're not alone. You might be working very closely to Isis, and this is everything regarding your power, your strength, your blessing, your talents, your abilities. You must connect to her if you want to take your power back. You can also check my website. This is my specialty. This is my gift for this universe. I am a queen in terms of helping you take your power back. I made a powerful masterclass, and I have some codes to really help you take what's yours. And I'm not joking with that. I am not joking with people or entity, anything that took your power to manifest, because that's the problem. That's the matter. Through time and space, through different incarnations, a lot of different soul situations, places, they took your energy to manifest, your sacral energy, your sexual energy to manifest. And it's time to call all of your power. It is just, I'm hearing about remembrance. You do not have to force nothing. You do not have to be someone or do something specific. You just need to call your power back. And again, I'm seeing, oh my God, I cannot make this up. This is, I call my buyer back from any timeline, space, dimension, reality, person, situation, entities. This is how you can do it. But again, if you found yourself empty, sucked dry, it might be because another entity, another situation or childhood wound, toxic family member, I'm hearing, they took your power. They used it to grow. They unconsciously, I'm hearing, it was not conscious, but they, as a child, when you were a child, mother, father, they just could not produce their own light, and they had to steal your light as a child, as a bubble of light, I'm hearing. You're an entrepreneur. That could be confirmation for you. You could be also a spiritual teacher. This is another. I cannot make this up. I am talking to someone that is healing from a very narcissistic mother or father, or maybe sister, brother, siblings in general. Whoa. I feel you. May you do the right choice. You have the power. I also have the power to cut any toxic cord. Realign you. Protect you even deeper, because you need your energy, you need your sacral energy. This is your creativity. For you to align with abundance, you need to be creative and monetize your gift, your talent, or your ability. For that, you need to call your power back. You're so powerful. I love you. Be so blessed. May love touch your soul, touch your entire system. You're so blessed. Until next time, namaste.